Hello, and welcome to our series all about Wix invoices and price quotes. Today, we're going to learn how to manage your price quotes on the Wix mobile app. Here's how you can do it. On the Wix mobile app, go to Manage below. Go to Getting Paid and go to Price Quotes. On the Wix mobile app, you can only manage one price quote at a time. Look for the price quote you want to manage and then tap it. Now, tap the three-dot button on the top right, and a window will appear showing you the available options or actions that you can do to manage your selected price quote. You can mark it as accepted, edit it, duplicate it, download it as PDF, resend it via email, share it, and delete it. So feel free to manage your price quote using the available options on the Wix mobile app. That's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.